So gentlemen, how you guys doing? I just want to make a quick video on how to solder the XT60 plugs. A lot of people are going to say, well, hey, I know how to do that. But a lot of people, I've noticed a lot of people are not doing it the right way. Not because they don't know how to do it, it's because, well, they don't know how to do it really. But you see the XT60 has a little groove right there. You see that groove? A lot of people grab this and they solder it right there. Boom, on the groove. And well, that's good. It makes a contact, but this is the actual right way to do it on the XT60. And always don't forget to put your sleeves before soldering, right? All right, so what I do is I cut the wire, the sleeve to the length, and then I grab this and then just push it in there. See? And it sits in there really nice and tight inside the little connector, you know, and then I just solder it in there, and it creates a great bond and it creates a great contact. Check it out. Fits like a glove right there. See? It goes in there. Now the only thing I need to do is prep the copper on the connector and then prep the wire with a little bit of solder. Lead free or regular old solder will do. This is just what I got. And I always use soldering paste or flux. So next what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of flux on the wire, and just a little bit right here on the connector. Grab your soldering gun and heat it up, and always put some solder in the tip. Make sure it's. What I do is I have one of these, and I always clean the tip before soldering. Clean all that burn solder. Look at that, how shiny that is. See how shiny that is? There you go. And then I grab and put a little bit of solder right here. Since I'm doing it with one hand, I mean, the way I'm doing it right now for the video is just, you can see, I mean, it works good too. You're not supposed to, but it works. Don't forget to always clean the tip before putting it away. And a tip, always put solder on your tip. No pun intended. When you're gonna put it away or when you put it aside, heat up your tip again. Put some solder there, and just lay it there. Let it heat up, and then start applying some solder. Let it flow. Let it flow. There it is. It doesn't look like it, but it's there. Now if you want to use this solder is really thin, so it takes a lot of it to make that little nice and bulgy right there. Let me see if I have thicker solder. There we go. There you go. There we go. There, oh, I pulled it out a little. There you go. There it is. That's how you do your soldering. And like I said, this is going to, since the wire it's inside of there, the wire is going in there, gives you a better contact, a cleaner soldering joint. Damn, still freaking hot. You know, and this thing will last forever. It won't come out for anything. There you go. So the secret to this, gentlemen, is to use flux to make that solder flow, and to use a high wattage soldering iron. Otherwise, the other one's going to work, but it's going to take forever to heat up, especially if you're doing it in a, like an environment like this where you have the fan or the AC on and shit like that. It's just going to take forever to heat up, because the wire is just going to suck all that heat, and it's just going to it's a pain in the ass. I'm just going to say that it's a pain in the ass. So there you go. Now I got to do the negative, and I'm all set. Let me know if you guys have any questions. All right, you guys have a good one. Bye.